And welcome to Party Video 3 of the Party Video series. We're now going to look at how the energy of crystals works.
It was quite exciting to see how the crystals that were chosen really related to what was happening in your lives. Now there's a reason for that. The way crystals work is they actually have, they're a natural product that come from the earth, and they have a vibration or an energy. So crystals have actually been used for many, many years. Does anyone remember crystal radios? Yeah, absolutely. And does anybody remember or have heard of crystal watches? Exactly. And also the silicon chip is actually made of crystal. So it obviously has, crystals obviously have an energy. And what was happening in that activity was your energy was actually interacting with the energy of the crystal. Now, crystals have been used for healing for thousands and thousands of years. It's also been used to meditate. So people for many, many years and today use crystals as an assistance to their meditation. It can attract love and luck and prosperity, and it can be used in healing of both your physical and emotional. So crystals are well recognised in today's society. So what was happening there is our vibration as a human being goes like this, doesn't it? Alright, you have your good days, you feel really energetic and really up, and then you might be feeling sick that day, physically drained, emotionally drained. Then the next day you're feeling up again. So our vibration is irregular at times. A crystal's vibration is like this. It is always constant. It stays the same because it is a natural product from the earth. So what happens is, because the crystal has that inspirational vibration about it, it can lift ours to its level. So that's the beauty of crystals, and that's why people use crystals in all of those capacities. So when you chose that crystal, it was actually choosing you for what you actually needed, and that's why it related so closely to your life. So we wanted to have that activity to inspire you and to introduce you to crystals if you've never ever known about the energy and how crystals can be used.
Okay, so Elizabeth explained how the energy of crystals works. The purpose of that activity is really to make meaning out of that inspiration party activity. So often I hear Elizabeth come back from a party and say, people when they chose a crystal said, that's just what I needed. Now that's not luck. There is actually a basis in science behind crystals. What you'll see is that, and take note of, is Elizabeth didn't go into too much detail about crystals. We joke that we're not trying to convert people to Christianity. What we're doing is we're introducing or opening the door to the energy of crystals. So crystals have an energy that link with our vibration. So that's the key point that Elizabeth made, that whilst our energy is up and down, crystal energy is very stable, and so therefore we're able to use that energy to help us and support us in our life.